we are revising our taught chapters. These chapters which are taught and revised in previous weeks are the green plants producers of the food, plant habitat and reproduction in animals. We have also discussed and learned about the chapter adaptation. So in previous week I have revised these chapters and also revised their questions which were solved previously, but in previous week I have also rediscussed and resolved these questions of exercise and quick assignments. So 3 chapters are completely finished, and I hope that you all have prepared fair for these chapters. Now today I am going to revise your 4th chapter. The chapter is adaptation in animals. So first of all we should know about what is adaptation. Adaptation is the feature of living things by which they adjust into their surroundings to live. Means adjustment of living things into their surroundings is called as adaptation. So different animals have different types of adaptation, and adaptation is also of different types. Animals have adaptation for habitat. According to habitat, animals have to develop some properties to adjust into their surroundings. So adaptation for that is called adaptation for habitat. Habitat means the surroundings where animals live. So adaptation for habitat. Animals take different types of food. So this adaptation is called adaptation for food. And animals have also danger to another animals. So for protection, animals have capacity to protect themselves. So this is called adaptation for protection. As different animals live in different types of habitat and different types of habitats are found on the earth, so different animals have different adaptation for habitat. Some animals live on land. These are called as terrestrial animals. Some animals live in water, called as aquatic animals. Animals which live in air and can fly, called as aerial animals. Animals which live in air but cannot fly, called as arboreal animals. And some animals can live both land and water, are called as amphibians. So these all 5 groups of animals on the basis of habitat are mentioned in your book, which are taught previously. So you have to revise and remember their examples. Next, adaptation for food. Different animals take different types of food. They have different types of food habits. Some animals eat only plant products, are called as herbivores. Some animals eat only animal products, animal body, flesh of animals, are called as carnivorous animals. Some animals eat plant products and animal products, both are called as omnivorous animals. Some animals eat dead bodies of animals. Dead bodies of other animals are called as scavengers. And some animals eat dead bodies of plant and animals, are called as decomposers. So these are some animals depend upon other animals for food habit, are called as parasite. So these are different types of animals according to their these are different types of adaptation feature found in animals on the basis of these these food habit. Adaptation of food habit. Animals are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, a scavenger, decomposer, parasite. These all are also mentioned in your book, and their examples are also given in your book, so you have to memorize these all points. Next adaptation which is found in animals are adaptation for protection. Adaptation for protection, to protect from their enemies. Animals, some animals have different types of properties. Some animals run fast, some animals body have capacity to merge in surroundings, some animals body is covered with spines. So these properties is called as protection, adaptation for protection. So these are summary and revision for your fourth chapter, adaptation in animals. Adaptation is very necessary to live in their surroundings for any animals. So I have hope that your all taught chapters has been revised properly, and you will also memorize these chapters for and you will prepare well for your second online test. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt to these taught chapters, you may ask any questions, any doubt to me during class hour, during online class hour, or any time, after class period, or any time you can ask questions to me. So you will prepare fair copy for these all chapters. You will remember all taught points for today. That's all, and best wishes. Good luck for your second online test. Thank you. Have a nice day.